The suspension of 12 MPs from Parliament becomes a big flashpoint between centre and the opposition. After being suspended from the Rajya Sabha over unruly behaviour, 12 opposition MPs sit on a dharna outside the Parliament. Leader of opposition Mallikarjun Kharge wrote a letter to Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu on behalf of the suspended MPs and appealed to reconsider the order. Kharge in his letter called the move an unprecedented excessive action and said MPs should be given a chance to present their case. He also said that the suspension order should be revoked in the larger interest of the Parliament. Earlier, Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu rejected the opposition's demand to revoke the suspension order and said will rethink if MPs apologise and express remorse. Opposition MPs are defiant and refuse to apologise and call the move undemocratic and the death of democracy. The opposition, barring the Congress, have already threatened to boycott the entire winter session if the suspension is not revoked.
कानून के तहत अपनी लड़ाई लड़ना और हमने इसमें बताया है कि अपने लेटर में कि कानून के तहत ये जो सस्पेंशन हुआ ये ठीक नहीं है, ये माफीनामा नहीं होगा। हम उनसे विनती कर रहे हैं, जो हुआ वो हुआ है, वो भूल जाइए, सब मिलके देश के हित में, जनता के हित में काम करेंगे।
Sir, you were also suspended. We are hearing that from today onwards you're going to sit near Gandhi statue and protest.
See, all opposition parties have met yesterday. They have walked out of the parliament session in Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Today we are meeting at 10 near Gandhi statue and we'll be protesting there. And the opposition party leaders will also meet and they will decide about the future course of action. Because none of us can take any individual decision. We are all bounded by our party decisions and we'll go by whatever is decided in the opposition parties meet.
Will you be apologizing?
No question of apologizing, no question of bowing to the dictates of this fascist government. We will be raising these issues again and again in the parliament because we are in the parliament to raise the issues that concern the people of our country.
But the way the chairperson said yesterday that the entire house was ransacked, people were mishandled, marshals were mishandled. What do you have to say about that?
Who provoked the opposition MPs? Who brought the people, those who were not marshals and from outside the Rajya Sabha? Why was a bill that is as important as the general insurance bill, which was not listed in the business, brought in? And before that, the people from outside Rajya Sabha were brought in. Was that not a provocation on part of the chairperson and the government? Was there no provocation from the government in the entire session? Why were they not allowing us to discuss any issue under Rule 267, which is a much practiced, in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha for the past 70-75 years?
So you're saying the blame lies on the opposition?
100% the blame lies on the opposition because the blame lies on the government because it is the duty of the government to run the house. It is the duty of the government to run the parliament. This government has failed because of its arrogance. They have failed because they think they have numbers in Lok Sabha. They have failed because they think that they have orchestrated a majority in Rajya Sabha.
कि शीतकालीन सत्र में जिस तरीके से सस्पेंड किया है एमपीज को इंक्लूडिंग मी, वो सस्पेंशन रिवोक करना चाहिए और इस तरीके के अनडेमोक्रेटिक प्रैक्टिसेस पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेसी के लिए हानिकारक हैं, उसको बंद करना चाहिए.
We are protesting against the anti-people legislations and anti-people policies of the BJP government. We will not surrender before that. Suspending 12 MPs, aiming to pass the bills, draconian bills easily. So we will fight against it.
जिन मुद्दों पर भी उनकी अंदर जो है वो चर्चा करने की ललक है, तो वो पार्लियामेंट का फ्लोर बहुत अच्छा है ना, उसमें करें ना चर्चा. हम हर चर्चा पे उनके साथ उनके जवाब देने को भी तैयार हैं, पार्टिसिपेट भी करने को तैयार हैं. लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली एक तरफ जो है वो जो संसद है, संसद की गरिमा के सम्मान की बात है और दूसरी तरफ जो है वो संसदीय मूल्यों के अपमान की बात है. तो इन्हें तय करना होगा कि क्या संसदीय मूल्यों के अपमान, संसद की गरिमा के अपमान करने वाले लोगों को जस्टिफाई.
Supriya Bharadwaj is now joining us live. Supriya, what's going on at the moment with the opposition staging this particular dharna? What's going on in the parliament? The MPs say that they will not apologize.
Well, not just the MPs, the other opposition leaders are also saying that their MPs are not going to apologize. Just now, Rahul Gandhi has put out a Facebook post and said that we will not bend, hum jhukenge nahi. Yesterday, he had tweeted and said loud and clear that apology for what? And this is what the stand the Congress party has taken, as well as now the other opposition parties also. Right today, we saw approximately 17 opposition parties coming together and staging a united protest near the Gandhi statue. Now, the 12 MPs who have been suspended from Rajya Sabha are sitting near the Gandhi statue and continuing that protest. The other MPs have gone inside both the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha, both the houses, and we are hearing what is that in Lok Sabha.
Joining us with the very latest details, we're getting some breaking news coming in. We'll have to cut straight across to it.